Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you something very interesting. Do you know that you're able to get a lower ping on Roblox? If you don't know how, in this video I'm gonna show you some very useful tricks about it and how to get a lower ping on Roblox. And trust me, it's 100% working. So let's move on point, let's jump in. At first, open the official site of Roblox here and go in settings on the right top side here, and yeah, click on settings, and yeah, from here you can check your username, password, parents email address, and other things and other stuffs. Yeah, but as you can see, our location is set to Bulgaria. Yeah, that's our country. But the trick is, the point is that Roblox servers are only based in some countries. That means when you're more far away you are from them, then higher ping you will get. So that's very bad. So, and I'm gonna show you actually which countries these servers are based in. Actually, that's Canada, South Korea, Sweden, also I forgot about, I think, Germany and Australia. Yeah, that's it. So as you can see, let's actually, we are living in Europe, so let's set it to Germany because it's nearest. Germany, where is it? Here it is, Germany. And now click on save, and I hope your ping will be get better. I mean, get lower. If you're living like a USA, maybe it's better to set your location to Canada because they have a server based there. And yeah, I hope your ping will be get better. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or ashamed to leave your questions down below. I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you in the next video. Bye.